DirtiCoin invests your coin in dirt. Check us out today at www.dirtycoin.com. You may think it's a little bit late in the year to be talking about New Year's resolutions, but January 22nd marks the beginning of the Lunar New Year. Remember, most people have already abandoned their New Year's resolutions by January 19th. So the Lunar New Year gives you a second chance to make good resolutions. Most goals and resolutions fail not because they aren't good, but because they aren't done right. In the short space of this video, we're going to give you 2 proven ways to ensure you realize your goals. We're going to give you 2 examples of how to use these new tools to attain your goals. We're also going to give you 2 ways to get free DirtiCoin and 1 no strings complimentary copy of the ebook Come Out on Top, Goals to Live By. Stick around to get the secret code you need to know to get that complimentary copy. The 2 proven and powerful goal setting methods we're going to share with you today are MTO and SMART. MTO stands for minimum, target, and outrageous. It's a minimum achievement, which is usually something you can get done in maybe as little as 5 to 15 minutes. A target achievement might take a little more work, and an outrageous achievement is way beyond what your target goal was at. SMART goals are characterized by the following 5 attributes. They are specific, they are measurable, they're attainable, they're realistic, and they are trackable. And if you want to learn more about each of these attributes, stick around for our free offer, and at the end you can get a complimentary copy of the book Goals to Live By. Come Out on Top, Goals to Live By. And that will explain each of these in greater detail. Here's a couple of examples of how you can use MTO and SMART together. First, example number 1, you may have the goal to save money in the new year. A minimum would be to save $25 per week. This is a SMART goal because it's very specific, it's measurable, it's attainable, it's realistic, and it's trackable. Your target might be to save 1% of your gross weekly pay. Your outrageous goal might be to save 10% of your gross monthly pay. You can see how the difference in scale, $25 a week, 1% per week, up to 10% per month. Each part of the MTO is a SMART goal. Second example, your goal might be to protect my buying power, protect your buying power. So your minimum goal might be to deposit $50 of savings per month into DirtiCoin. A target would be to deposit $100 of savings per month into DirtiCoin. And your outrageous might be to protect $12,000 of your savings from inflation by depositing it into DirtiCoin. DirtiCoin is the only cryptocurrency available today that is commodity backed, which can help protect your money from inflation. Each part of this MTO is a SMART goal. Using MTO and SMART together will make you unstoppable in achieving your goals. And you can make your goal of financial freedom a reality by protecting your savings from inflation with DirtiCoin and protecting your wealth from volatility with DirtiCoin. Find out more today at www.dirtycoin.com. We promised we were going to give you 2 ways to get free dirty dollars, parts of DirtiCoin, with a purchase. You see on the right half of the screen, you can go to infocentral.com, which will allow you to buy a couple of different information products which come with complimentary dirty dollars. Right below that, OpenSea.io, we have a collection of DirtiCoin collectible, dirty dollar collectible coins, which you can buy through OpenSea.io at 0.1 ETH, and they come with a complimentary dirty dollar. On the left side of the screen, you can see if you're looking to deposit your wealth into DirtiCoin, you can go to dirtycoin.com/buy DirtiCoin, and you can find out there all the things you need to do to be able to help protect yourself from inflation and volatility by moving your wealth into DirtiCoin. Don't wait. Inflation is eating away at your buying power every minute. We promised at the start of this video would give you a no strings offer to get a free copy of Come Out on Top Goals to Live By. By special arrangement with the author, we've created a DirtiCoin special edition. This is a $1997 value, and you get it free when you go to the address that's shown on your screen here. You go there and you use the coupon code BEATINFLATION. Use BEATINFLATION at this address that you see at the bottom of your screen here, and you can get your free copy of the ebook Come Out on Top Goals to Live By, DirtiCoin Special Edition. No strings attached. We're not going to be sharing your email address with anyone, and we're not going to be selling your information to anyone else. Thank you. DirtiCoin invests your coin in dirt. Check us out today at www.dirtycoin.com.